RAM is short for Random Access Memory. RAM is a type of memory used in computers and electronic devices to temporarily store data and programs that are currently being used. Here are some basic points about RAM. 1. Temporary storage. RAM is used to temporarily store data that the processor needs, allowing quick access to this data when needed. 2. Speed. RAM is much faster than other storage units, such as hard disks HDD or solid-state hard disks SSD. 3. Volatile memory. Data in RAM is lost when the device loses power, unlike permanent storage units, such as hard disks. 4. Capacity. RAM capacity directly affects the device's performance. The higher the RAM capacity, the more applications and tasks the device can handle simultaneously. 5. Types of RAM. There are different types of RAM, such as DDR, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5, and each type provides better speed and performance than the previous one. RAM plays a vital role in the performance of devices, as it contributes to applications running smoothly and enabling the system to work effectively and dealing with multiple tasks.